guys, Apple Maniac YT here. So as you can tell, in front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro and an iPhone 14 Pro leather case. After over 4 months of wanting one, I finally managed to get my hands on one. So let's go ahead and get started with unboxing it. Go ahead and start with the leather case. Oh yes. Wow, I really like the feel of this case. The metal buttons definitely add to it. Nice. And now for the big thing, the iPhone 14 Pro itself. There's the case, but now it's time for the phone. Tab number 1, tab number 2. All right, here we go. Finally gonna see the phone in person for the very first time. Well, I've seen it at the Apple store, but you get the point. Oh my God, there we go. I'll go ahead and put the phone to the side. I'm gonna actually avoid touching the phone itself because I wanna keep it fingerprint free. And let's see what's in the box. Of course, we have a USB-C to lightning cable. Still no charging brick. Thank you, Apple. And then we have our little pamphlet. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Nice. And of course, we have a one Apple sticker and the warranty info. Before I do anything else, I'm actually gonna go ahead and put the case on the phone. So I wanna see how it looks. I'm trying to avoid touching the sides of the phone. They're a fingerprint magnet. And wow, this thing stays in the case really well. Oh my gosh. All right, here the phone is. Let's turn it on for the very first time. Oh my God. This is gonna be quite an upgrade from the iPhone XS. Oh my God. Look at that dynamic island. Wow. This is quite the beautiful iPhone. So I can't wait to start using it. I'm gonna go set it up off camera, get it activated. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, peace out, guys.